In today's free Adobe Premiere Pro CC video editing tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add motion onto your video clips in less than 2 minutes. So once you have your video loaded on the timeline like so, you want to go onto the effect controls, you want to click position and scale, and then you want to move a couple frames to the right like so, a couple frames move to the left, then a couple frames move up, and then a couple frames move down. If you really want, you can even scale this a little bit bigger by dragging to the right. Now go to the beginning of the video and go to here, let's say 105, then maybe 108, we're zooming in. Under here, underneath the keyframe timeline, under motion, click the plus icon and then zoom. And then we're going to do Control plus A and then Control C to copy, and then go a little bit further and then paste right here. So now we're going to have something like this. As you can see, that's a much easier way to do this, to zoom in. So I'm going to remove the attributes, remove the keyframes, then go underneath to effects and type in dead pull. And then you want to drag this effect, which is the handheld camera more movement or the smoothest, down below. And then go under to the effects control and you want to make this 115. And this is what this looks like. Completely for free in Adobe Premiere Pro CC.